Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Casio Privia PX-S5000 keyboard or digital piano, whatever you want to call it, and you want to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's kind of one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues where you feel like it's not working right, the sounds are not right, a lot of times just doing a hard reset can fix these. The other reason you might want to do this is if you've got any configurations or settings and you're just kind of confused with it all and you just want to get a fresh start and reinitialize it like it's just coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that. It's a real easy thing to do. So all we're going to do is we need to have the keyboard powered on, and we're just going to come in and find this function button up here, and we're going to press and hold the function button. And while we're pressing and holding the function button, we're going to come and find this key that's all the way to the left, and we're going to press it. Now once you press it, all the while continuing to hold this function button, you're going to press this all the way to the button, to the left key. And if you do that, it will open up it will kind of start the reinitialization or factory reset, and you'll see the function light that will begin to blink. And so now you have sort of an option to cancel at this point by releasing the function button. But if you want to go ahead and do it, you're just going to continue to hold the function button, and then you're going to come and you're going to press this C1 key, which is the third white key from the left. Just go and hit that key, and then once you do that, the initialization will start. You can release, and then give it a minute to complete, and it takes a little bit. Once that's done, all the front panel touch button lights will light up, and then you know you're done, and you can set this up as a brand new keyboard.